Picture this. Sally in accounting gets an email from IT that her Microsoft account has been compromised and she needs to update her password or her programs will be immediately locked. Payroll's due by end of the day and she cannot afford to lose the Excel spreadsheet that she's working on. So she clicks the email, fills out the information, and boom, just like that, your whole company is at risk. Phishing emails are getting more and more sophisticated, being sent from trusted internal sources and with just the right sense of urgency to prompt immediate action. It has never been more important to train your entire team on how to stay vigilant and what to look for in a phishing email. We offer a half-day course that's full of real-world scenarios and tools that every single member of your team can use. Because cybersecurity is a team sport, so get your whole team playing defense.